Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Janet's studying again, so Mark and I have just gone out for the day. We're going to show you around Claremont, another one of the original suburbs of Perth. But for now, let's roll the intro. Now we're in the original precinct of Claremont. Post office we were just looking at there. This is the old train station here, but we'll go and have a look at the train station properly. Now, this is probably the most impressive train station in Perth, I think so anyway. You got the big stations in Fremantle and in Perth, but for the suburb train stations, this really is incredible. I'll give you a better look from different places, but the original station was built in 1881, but this one was built in 1886 and it was World Heritage listed in 2002, so it really is a quite impressive building. This old building here is the Claremont Hotel. Been drinking here since we were little kids. This was first built in 1902, I think it was finished. And it's very, very different style to anything else I've shown you. Very famous for the wrong reasons, but I won't go into that. And just over here is the old theatre lane. There's a couple of art galleries and things in there. Let's go in and have a look. And now we're inside the old theatre lane. There's things in here, coffee shops, things, but somewhere in here there's an art gallery, which is why we're here. And this is the Tow Bridge Gallery. We'll go in and have a look and we'll make the code word art. This old building here, the Congressional Hall, was built in 1895 and it's actually for sale, and it's like in the Pingelly video, if you remember, the Pingelly Tavern. It's a heritage listed house, so it's not a heritage listed building, so you're not allowed to change anything. You're allowed to fix up what's here, you're just not allowed to change anything. And this post box, back before they put the bridges across Perth, the Narrows Bridge and the Causeway, you used to have to go from Perth to Fremantle all the way down here to the Fremantle Bridge, and it was really a big, big journey. Even to go to Canning Bridge, the Raffles Hotel that I showed you, and the historic pubs of Perth, you used to have to go all the way into Fremantle, cross the bridge there, then all the way back. So it was a big, big thing back in the horse and cart days. This post box is where the postman from Fremantle used to meet the postman from Perth back in 1867 to send the mail. And this beautiful old building's just next door. It's all gate fenced off, so I can't get to the plaque to tell you when it was built and everything. But it is another one of the heritage listed buildings that's for sale, one of the Claremont landmarks. Look at the two of them together, just gorgeous. Yeah. This is the town of Claremont council houses. And they have a few exhibitions in here during the year. At the moment there's a little art exhibition. Let's go in and have a look. And this impressive looking structure here, it's the ANZAC Memorial. States all the wars we've fought in up until Vietnam. We've been in a couple more since then, unfortunately, lest we forget. And this is the beautiful Claremont Park. We'll be able to see this one better from the drive. And we'll make the code word park. And this gorgeous old building's the Captain Sterling Hotel. We're going to go in and have some lunch. What an amazing meal. Really, really good, guys. I highly recommend coming here. Friendly staff. I found out the building was built in 1935. Amazing, and really good food. We'll make the code word Captain. Look at this, guys. The old training college. This was built in 1901, and it looks a lot older. What a gorgeous old building. This was the original secondary teachers college of Western Australia. Just incredible. And this is probably the first time in my life I've seen this. We just found it out of pure luck. And this is the memorial for the teachers that trained here and lost their lives in World War I. So this is the Freshwater Bay Museum, but I need to do a bit more research. They're only open Monday to Friday and the first Sunday of every month. And today's Saturday, of course, so how many times has this happened to us, guys? And we'll make the code word museum. But here's another post box here. This one's 1876, I believe. Mark just said, yes, 1876. And we'll make the code word post. And this beautiful old church, built in 1938. Now, we're in the private school district here, all the really posh schools of Perth that have been around forever. This is the modern part of Christchurch, but we'll take you down to Scotch and show you one of the original schools of WA. And this is the administration building for Scotch College. One of the most expensive schools in Western Australia, and I actually went here for 6 weeks. That was a very expensive 6 weeks for my parents. But yeah, this is the posh school district. We've got Scotch College, MLC, Ladies College, Methodist Ladies College. They've got Christchurch that I showed you before. All very old established schools. Well, that was another fun day out. Thanks, Mark, for coming. If you don't know what the code words are for, guys, I'll put a link up here to the video describing how you can win a Mavic Mini drone. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, hit the Mag Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. Give me a big thumbs up. Share this video everywhere you can, and we'll see you in the next one.